Welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can add a Linktree link to your Instagram bio. This tutorial is step by step, so make sure you follow carefully. Firstly, we have to log into our Linktree account. After that, we are able to create new link, and for example I made URL instagram.com just to show you guys. After that, I went to Appearance and pick my theme, which will show up when someone visits my Linktree link. After that, we should go copy Linktree link and visit bit.ly.com. There we change Linktree link to bit.ly link, which we can set in our Instagram bio. Then we should go to our Instagram profile, then edit profile, pick website, and there we type our converted link. And basically that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and hit subscribe button for more tutorials like this.